Good morning, my name is Piotr Lotarski. I'm former retired. Presently, I'm assistant professor in the Institute of Political Science. At the outset, I would like to express my satisfaction with the participation in the first Polish-Pakistani conference and hope that my speech will have at least as much impact on the future context of our country. The aim of my speech is an attempt to develop a military cooperation between Poland and Pakistan in this century, and I try to identify possibilities of expansion in this relation. In preparation for my speech, I explored areas such as political military cooperation, equipment, humanitarian relief, arms purchases, police defense industry, and I prepared some proposals. What brings us together? Both Poland and Pakistan have developed similar types of armed forces and defense industry. The Pakistani industry produced ships, planes, tanks, combat vehicles, and small arms. Importantly, it produced nuclear weapons and rockets to carry them and fighters, which exceed Polish experience. The most important events in our relations happened in 2007 when the Pakistani President President Kaczynski. This event was very promising. They discussed about terrorism after the attack in USA and needs to combat terrorism. They underlined that closer cooperation is necessary. After 3 years of the death of President Kaczynski, talks continued in Poland at the level of national defense ministers. Polish defense minister talked about cooperation with chairman of the Senate of Pakistan. They discussed about protests related to the end of the ISAF mission in Afghanistan. 2 years after, in Poland, the chief of staff of the Navy of Pakistan, who I know was the commander of the Navy, met with the general commander of Polish Armed Forces. They talked about the cooperation of the navies. 2 months later, during the defense exhibition in Kielce, Polish Minister of Defense talked with Minister of Defense Production of Pakistan. Next important event took place in Warsaw in 2018 when the Polish Minister of Defense IR-FUUAST and Pakistani during the meeting signed a framework agreement of mutual cooperation in the field of defense. The contract covered areas such as peace, humanitarian and other military operation, organization of armed forces, logistics support, military education and training of military personnel, military exercise, law and economics, and history of the army and military zone. It's also important topic. Implementing the agreement, the Polish Navy sent military minor divers for exercise among 19 in Karachi, in Pakistan and Arabian Sea. But it was only one exercise and not. At the invitation of the Chief of Staff of the Pakistani Armed Forces, a delegation led by Polish Commander General visited Pakistani Armed Forces in 2019. The main purpose of the visit was keeping bilateral cooperation. Polish commander spoke also with the commander of Air Force, Airline Joint Chief of Staff. He also visited the Museum of Land Forces. The same year, the delegation headed by the commander of Pakistani Air Force visited Polish Air Force unit in the city. They were interested in Polish training centers and the latest generation's flight simulation devices. On notice in 2019, competition for network reconnaissance units when Polish and Spanish soldiers was under the code name Camper Platform held in Great Britain. In the era of humanitarian mission, two events should be mentioned. In 2005-2006, Poland sent military contingent to Pakistan in Operation Sweet Lily. We sent engineering company and geological sciences and rescue dogs to deal with the aftermath of earthquake in Pakistan. Next incident took place in this year. I noticed that Pakistan sent twice humanitarian flights to Ukraine by Poland. So, what brings us together? This is similar equipment. So we should see that we use the same equipment like combat material aircraft, helicopters, military transport aircraft, combat boats, FUUAST. Underline refers to equipment manufactured in Poland. If we talk about answers from Poland and Pakistan, are conducted at a low level. The balance has not exceeded several €100,000 per year in the recent 12 years. But I think not from Pakistan to Poland. These words point out the main Polish companies producing the equipment for that, the biggest one, huge in our region, is Polska Grupa Zbrojeniowa, PGZ. They manufactured ABC, Rosoma, infantry fighting vehicle Polsuk, self-propelled howitzer craft, self-propelled mortars, man-pads, rifles, rods. Also private companies manufactured important equipment like helicopters, PZL Mielec, PZL Witnik, UAST, Buberno, also equipment for communication from land forces. Company Warmia produce bullet prophets west ballistic helmets. Underline refers to combat proven equipment in Ukraine. Also, PGZ was visited by a delegation from Pakistan in 2017. During the visit, the potential of cooperation in the land platform sector was discussed. I prepare some cooperation proposal. In my opinion, Polish special forces cannot be overlooked. Most famous of them is GROM. Polish special forces considered to be one of the best NATO countries, and that they have experience from years of operation in many regions of the world, including Afghanistan. Among other tasks, the GROM decided to fight terrorism. World attention is the proposal to train staff at Polish universities. We have several academies is educating soldiers and civilians to the many fields of study. Most important is war studies university for high staff, high military staff. But the biggest military university of technology in Warsaw. Polish Navy Academy prepare higher personnel for Navy. Polish IR-FUUAST University is educated navigators, pilots, and military university of land forces. This is university dedicated for commanders, army reserve forces. My conclusions are, like you see, we conduct mostly contacts on political, military levels, also Christian levels. So most important agreement was on military cooperation was signed in 2008. Currently, however, they are conducted at a low level, especially in the field of functions, the balance of which has not exceeded €700,000 per year in the recent 12 years. So in my opinion, the needs of the rapid development of the Polish armed forces and the enlargement of the Polish defense industry may contribute to an increase in cooperation in the past. Poland could use experience in the reduction of missiles. It should be noted that the setting of relation took place just before the COVID era. Today, war in Ukraine is very absorbed for the Polish authorities. The military relations of both countries have made a lot of perspectives ahead of them. So, I will read a sentence uttered by President Lech Kaczynski in 2007 during the welcome of President Busha. He summarized the relations between the countries in this way. These relations are not at a great level and can develop dynamically. Thank you.